Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can combine videos on any iPhone. So let's dive in. So the first thing you have to do is to go on to your App Store and download an app called CapCut. Head on to the App Store and download an app called CapCut. And after you've downloaded CapCut, it's going to be very easy after that. It's a free app and it works on any device, any version of iPhone. So open the app and we're just going to accept the terms of service and policy, and you click on new project and we're going to allow access to photos, and I'm just going to select two videos, and it's just going to combine them very easily, very fast, and boom, it's all been combined. And as you can see, you can play the video and it's been combined. And that is it, guys. And the next thing you can do is export the video to your gallery. It just takes a few seconds and the video will be in your gallery, and that's how you do it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. If you found this information helpful, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.